It's the time to get down.
My mother the same year. She told me to do comedy. So what comedy is my muse. It's what my mother left and gave to me. Had the opportunity to meet the likes of a Eddie Murphy by doing what I do, following my dream, continuing to work on my craft. And I cannot thank you guys here at Pax Stereo enough for this opportunity, because I don't think the world is ready for what I'm doing.
No,
y'all, they got a camera for me now.
Stand
Church,
up.
did you hear me? A camera.
Stand up.
That means y'all get to see me.
Stand up.
You understand? You don't just hear my voice. You get to see me do what I do. We're
That's
going to be doing live stand-up comedy
That's
shows, baby,
That's
for
it.
Pax Stereo TV.
That's
Miss
it.
Nikki Marshall, Nikki Renee is going to be
Thank
doing
you.
live remotes, interviewing
I can't
guests.
wait.
We're going to
Good.
have all the
Preach.
finest women that I can find and
Preach.
put them together in one room
That's
and
right.
make porn. And I'm just it's going down. It's going all the way down.
And they don't even know about the new body cavity cam.
No, they don't know about that. We going up in
Body
you.
cavity
We don't
cam.
know.
We gonna be up in you.
I got 5 or 6 of them.
Oh!
They kind of can't wash them too good.
Church
So.
Tabernacle.
I'm
Again,
sorry.
thank you. It ain't
swallowing.
it ain't easy, but thank y'all, Pax, because boy, y'all done messed up. I'm finna ooh-wee. Trey love y'all live in the flesh. Oh, this go. Whew.
Danny, you got the fan?
What? The fan, right? Because like he's blowing some serious knowledge. I guess is that what you're supposed to say? He's
Look at
blowing
there
knowledge,
go. See the
dropping
rebellion?
knowledge.
Look at it.
Like that.
Listen to the tone of her voice. See, watch out.
I'm being obnoxious.
Well,
Yeah.
I tell you what, that's so good. Let's take a brief commercial break, and we'll be right back. How's that, Vic?
Oh, this is going.
You know I'm not seeing a feed, man.
That's okay. Remember, switch it to something for them.
All right, cool.
I got it.
All right. In the meantime, let me just
Yeah, let's do technology.
oh yeah, you know how it is. Just swing with it. You know,
Everybody gets to see. Don't forget, we got the netbook cam. And what you get a good view of it.
This commercial is for you. There we go. Rock. Oh yeah.
Nikki's friends are showing up in the chat room.
Hey, gentlemen, you can create content. You like to go out and Pax
Yeah.
and do like what you did.
Let me know
watch you a
what.
little.
Oh man.
Okay. And let me know, Trey. Let me know if you need time for anything.
Okay.
I didn't forgot to ask you. So.
Oh no, I'm cool.
Okay, let me know.
This is a new commercial form. I love it. I love it. Wait a minute, I want to see.
A new commercial.
Somebody's page name is next to you.
No, that's what's going on here.
Oh, okay.
This is a platform. Like, this is a platform with simulcasting. So we're here in this chat room, and I'm telling everybody, this is still, Beat Baby's still here, Leslie's still here. But I'm telling everybody, we're going to put this on the platform. This is our website.
Oh, okay.
But we want to be on this platform. We have other people that are looking at it.
Okay. Yeah. I gotta work on laptop. Mine's like power button and then like button button.
And then also to Area 7.
You can't have me no pictures, man.
We'll have to check.
Don't hand me anything. It's over.
I don't want to give them this
Hey, hey.
I'll just when they get there, I'll drop the link.
That was good, man. I like that. Y'all can keep talking if you want.
Yeah,
to. You
that's
want
like
the shot?
having you talking about dropping them links.
Yeah.
Drop a link.
Oh, I like that.
Drop a hot link.
Danny.
Drop a hot link.
right in
Drop
your
it.
mouth.
Drop it.
Oh.
That's a visual for him.
Oh, that's hard.
You know, ladies and gentlemen, and we're going to have, I don't know if she's, the 2010 calendar for Nikki. You guys got to see.
You just straight ahead, bro. Straight ahead. That's just
And on the back, you get to see.
lower. Just go low. They're
That
beautiful.
lighting.
And I hope where can they get these?
My website, www.nikki-renee.com.
Okay, so go get you one. Get your pen. Need those life-size blow-up dolls.
Go get you one.
They make great dates, by the way. I know. You guys, so we got, maybe.
Oh, Nikki, that's beautiful.
We'll periodically we'll show you a different one. Right?
Got you. I like that, Mario.
So that's the first we showed you.
Periodically.
All right,
Periodically.
man. All right, you guys. First of all, there's some big announcements today. First of all, for those of you who don't know, economists have come out again saying that the recovery looks stronger than expected. So I hope you feel better today. Go out and charge something. Remember, that your old lady's been wanting that dress? Well, forget that. Go buy yourself something. Go out and charge yourself. Get a new TV. Something maybe you can share.
That's cool.
Because the economists say that the recovery looks stronger than expected. That's right there, and I wonder, because I know for me, that sure made my day. I checked my pockets and there was an extra nickel. It appeared right at that time, but they said that the economy is better than expected, and so that people should have a brighter outlook. And here's some quotes. I feel more confident. There'll be no relapse. Oh, boy. So I guess, okay, you guys, so out to the ghetto, they're partying today.
So should we cheer Obama right now?
Cheer Obama and then save up so you can get your calendar. You can get your calendar.
I love that picture.
You may get no dates. So you may need this calendar. Nikki, men all over the world may have pages stuck together, but it's all right, girlfriend. It's love. It's true love.
There we go.
Adolescent men.
There we go.
That's the kind of love they bring.
Lord.
The catcher's mitt. With me and my imagination, we made love to everybody on television.
You and Country said the same thing in the chat room.
Yeah, did you get the Partridge Family girls? I got them and the Brady Bunch girls. One time I had them all together in one dream. I had Mrs. Partridge too, boy. She was
It was such a big
Man.
Mrs.
That's
Partridge.
right. That's
Well, I
right.
want to say
Mrs. Brady. Woo.
Let me say hello to the folks in the chat room. They're just coming in and they're filing in. Nikki had two friends that are here, Ms. Aries and Beach Babe are here. Welcome and thank you. This is your first time with us.
Hey,
Thanks,
welcome.
Nikki. Nikki put out and Trey put out a lot of promos prior to this particular Monday show. So thank you guys. Wanted to say, what's up, Emmy? You my girl. And no, we're not going to have any Obama bashing while I'm in the studio.
Oh.
We ain't doing that.
she's the
That's
protector.
our
Enough of
wonderful.
doing that out there.
That's right, exactly. The wing nuts.
Wing nuts.
And the tea baggers.
That sounds like it hurt. A wing
Sure.
nut.
It does.
And then Nance is with us from Simi Valley. She's here.
What's happening, Nance?
Hey, Nancy.
Nance is a true sports.
She sure
she's
is.
a true sports person. She
Thank
knows her
you.
sports. We'll be looking to hear from her.
Yeah.
And all her input about the NBA playoffs. Thank you,
And-
Nance. We need you.
And also to shout out to Bryce, her son. Hope you're feeling better, sweetie.
Hey, Bryce.
And also,
Feel
we
better.
have Country Convict. We got Country.
Frying some
Country
fish.
with us. Country. He's
How's
with
he
us.
doing?
Trying to get his signed calendar from Nick. No, you ain't getting one. She's sold out. Sold out. And then we have Bronx BB here with us. And just wanted to say welcome.
Leslie
Leslie.
A. Falu.
And we are going to be talking. We will get to the headlines, and hopefully we will be talking about the bill in Arizona. Those.
Actually, that's my
bastards.
second story.
Oh, you did
I
that.
said
That's
it,
my
those
second
bastards
story
in
for today.
Arizona.
Yeah, you're actually right. That is one of the big stories I
It
want to
is.
talk about. And on the front, but before we get to that, I wanted to talk a little bit about the volcano eruption because check it out, you guys. The volcano has actually sparked a bunch of